Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. So right now I'm in my kitchen and it's evening time. So my friend, आज की इस वीडियो में I will tell you small action word. So right now I'm in my kitchen and I'm going to make dinner. So today it's my turn to make dinner. So now right now I'm going to put lentil. दाल को आप lentil भी कह सकते हैं, pulse भी कह सकते हैं, ठीक है. So I'm going to put lentil into the pressure cooker to boil it. Okay, so the first thing that I need, so that is the lentil container. So I have two lentil container. Then that one is yellow pulse. Okay, that one is green. Okay, so right now this action is called removing the lid, the opening. Okay, so I'm going to remove the lid of the container, this one. Now I'm going to pour it into the bowl. This is called bowl. Okay, so I'm going to make a boil mix pulse. So I'm going to remove this lentil container and pour lentil, you can say put also, into the bowl. So here we can use the word measure. So I have measured lentil. Okay, so I have measured lentil into the bowl. Okay, now next process, I'm going to wash it. So we can't use wash, we use rinse. Okay, so first of all I have this saucepan. Okay, so I'm going to put it into the saucepan right there. Now I'm going to rinse it. Okay, so I am rinsing the lentil. Okay, I turn on the tap. Okay, I turn on the tap. Okay, and now I'm rinsing that lentil. Okay, so I will rinse it for 3 times. Okay, so first time I have rinsed it. So this process is called, I will show you, that is called rub. So I'm rubbing it. Okay, so the dust of the lentils, okay, it will remove. Okay, so I'm rubbing it. So now here is the water, the dirty water. Okay, now we can use the word drain. So I am draining out the water. Okay, so now one more time I'm rinsing it. Again I'm draining out the water. One more time I'm rinsing it. And again I'm draining out the water. And I have turned off the tap. Okay, okay. Now I have rinsed that pulse. Okay, now that container, अब इनको मुझे उसी जगह पे रखना है. तो what can I say? I can say I am going to put it away. That is also, and I'm going to put it back. Okay, yeah, I'm going to place it on its place. Okay, so I have put two containers back on its place. Okay, now next thing that I need, that is pressure cooker. So pressure cooker is on the shelf. Okay, so I am going to take down. Okay, so I'm going to take down the pressure cooker. That is the pressure cooker. I am going to put it on the electrical stove. I have put it on the electric stove, and I am putting, you can say put, you can say pour also, but I think put is right. I am putting that lentil into the pressure cooker. Okay, now next thing, that is the water. That is a water kettle. Okay, so I have warmed up the water. Okay, so now I'm going to pour warm water into that pressure cooker. So here it is. I think that is enough. No, I will not put it. So I am adding more water to the pressure cooker. Okay, so if you want to say add, then you have to use preposition to, adding to. Okay, so I think it's enough. Now next thing that I need, this is called spice dispenser. Okay, so now I have to put salt and turmeric. So I'm going to put salt 1 and 2, and also I'm going to put turmeric 1 spoon is enough. Okay, and yeah, so I am closing that dispenser. Okay, now I am going to put it back on its place. Now the next thing, I'm going to turn on the electrical stove. Okay, I will show you. So I'm going to turn on the electrical stove. That is electrical stove. Okay, so this one is called plug. Okay, and this one is called outlet, not outlet. So I'm going to plug it into the outlet. Yes, and turning on the switch. Now I have to set the range of the electrical stove. So 40, yeah, 1400. So I have set the range on the of the electrical cooker. Now, yeah, last thing that I have to do, that is lid. So I'm going to cover it. You can see I'm going to close the lid of the pressure cooker. So my friend, so my friend, that was the process. That was the process to boil lentil. Okay. So at home you can also practice English while boiling lentil, while cooking other things, while making chapati. Okay, it's depend on you. If you have time, if you have free time, then you have to speak loud. You can say you have to speak with your mouth, okay, in your mind, and just speak. Okay, practice, because practice make you perfect. Practice will make you perfect. Okay, so now it's boiling. Now it's okay. Now next thing will happen, that is gas. Okay, that gas will form into the pressure cooker. Okay, and the whistle will come. Okay, whistle will come out. Okay, so that is the things, but you have to say this thing like this. Okay, so that please. So my friend, if you really like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.